In today's video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate an Audacity track, step by step, and I'll also show you how to duplicate just a selection into a new track, or duplicate an entire track in seconds. This is a super useful Audacity trick if you want to create a backup layer, make an effect copy, compare edits, or build out a thicker sound without starting from scratch. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Audacity tips and audio editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, let's look at how to duplicate a selection to a new track. Open your project in Audacity and find the selection tool icon. Click that tool so you can make an exact selection on the waveform. Now click and drag across the part of the waveform you want to copy. You can select a small section, a phrase, a sound effect, or any part of the audio you want to duplicate. Once the section is highlighted, go up to the Edit menu at the top of the screen. Click Edit and then choose Duplicate. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-D if you want to do it faster. When you use Duplicate on a selection, Audacity creates a copy of that audio in a new track. This is really helpful if you want to keep one version untouched while editing the duplicate separately. For example, you might want to add effects to one copy, shift timing on the other, or compare two different edits side by side. It gives you a lot more flexibility while working on your project. Now let's go over how to duplicate an entire track. This is just as easy. First, look to the left side of the waveform and click the track header. The track header is the panel on the left that contains the track controls, and clicking it selects the full track. Once the whole track is selected, go back to the Edit menu and click Duplicate again. And just like before, you can also press Ctrl-D as a shortcut. When you duplicate an entire track, Audacity creates a full copy of that track in your project. This is useful if you want to layer vocals, create alternate versions, or keep a safety copy before making major edits. It is one of the simplest ways to work faster in Audacity and stay organized at the same time. A quick tip here: if you're doing a lot of repeated editing, learning the Ctrl-D shortcut can save you a lot of time. Instead of clicking through menus every time, you can duplicate your audio instantly with just one command. Small shortcuts like this really add up when you're editing longer recordings. So to recap, if you want to duplicate only part of a track, use the Selection tool, highlight the area you want, then go to Edit and choose Duplicate, or press Ctrl-D. If you want to duplicate the full track, click the track header to select everything, then use the same duplicate command or shortcut. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Audacity tutorials, and let me know in the comments what audio editing trick you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.